Hey guys, we received this Pander Water-Repellent Crossbody bag with adjustable strap for test and try. So this is a small compact crossbody bag for the use. So let me just open up this and show it to you. So you can see a nice fabric or the water-repellent material here. So the straps is adjustable. So really a nice strap here that you can adjust through this. So nice quality bag with a side pocket for your mobile or anything for easy access and the zipper pocket for securing things. The zipper is also smooth and really nice quality. And from the side is a main pocket where you have more space here for the meshy thing for your putting in the stuff, and then you can also expand it with this. So it's a nice bag or the crossbody bag, I will say, to put in your wallet, mobile, your other things, small keys and stuff, and then easily hold the thing. So total width or the thing is this, so it can carry a really good amount of uh, things, and then easily you can zip lock it or zip it and then use it. So make it more secure. So you have put in the stuff like your mobile, and then you can easily zip it and then you can just use it as a cross body. So it will come on the side, really fits well and looks nice as well. It's not so big and not so small. So it can easily carry up your stuff and then looks nice from the sides as well.